How to manage send me question on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage send me question on Skype mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Skype and now click on your profile here and then click settings and then click account and profile and then go here and click this one, your profile, and now go down and you'll find this one here, send me question. Click on it if you want to turn it off, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.